In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Moody, cinematic black and white AI portrait using Chatgpt. This quick guide will help you create captivating portraits with just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open Chatgpt. This AI tool is what we'll use to guide our creative process. You can access it via your preferred web browser. Once you have Chatgpt open, you'll need to either create a new chat or access an existing conversation. This setup is pivotal as it provides a platform where we'll input the necessary prompts to create our portrait. Whether you're starting afresh or using a previous chat, make sure the environment is set for productive interaction. Now, let's talk about crafting your prompt. A well-structured prompt is crucial in creating a compelling and visually appealing portrait. Your prompt should incorporate the subject of your portrait, the mood you want to convey, the color scheme, although we're focusing on black and white for this project, and the background details. By providing these elements, you'll offer the AI a richer context to generate a more authentic and engaging image. Think of it as laying the foundation for your masterpiece. After you've formulated the prompt, simply hit enter or send it within the chat. This action prompts Chatgpt to process your input and begin crafting your portrait. You'll notice how responsive and efficient the tool is. It's designed to give you the best results with minimal effort. If the first outcome doesn't perfectly match your vision, don't worry. You have the liberty to ask follow-up questions or request refinements. Feel free to adjust the mood, tweak the background, or even alter the intensity of the features. This flexibility is one of the great strengths of using AI for creative artworks. When you achieve the desired outcome, it's time to download your masterpiece. You can easily do this by clicking the download button. Alternatively, if that's not an option, you can right-click the image and select Save Image. This step ensures that your high-quality, moody, black and white AI portrait is securely saved for future use, whether for online sharing or personal collection. And there you have it, a moody, cinematic black and white portrait ready in just a handful of simple steps. Experiment with different prompts to see what varied results you can achieve, and don't be afraid to let your creativity flow. Enjoy the process and immerse yourself in the world of AI art creation. Thanks for joining me on this artistic journey.